Hello, my dear learners. Welcome back to this series, Just 2 minutes. Can we solve this particular question in 2 minutes? Is it possible? Or does Shabana ma'am just keep faffing कि हाँ कर सकते हैं, फास्ट कर सकते हैं? वो मैम का क्या है, वो तो एजुकेटर है, उनकी तरफ से उनको लगता है सब इजी है. No, it's not that. There are some questions that are actually low hanging fruits, and that is what I'm trying to do in these bite sized sessions. Okay, so in the previous one, episode 1, I showed you a short summary. In this one, I'm going to show you one reading comprehension ka one question, and in the end, I'm going to give you some like mind-blowing gyan points. Okay, so be ready with a sheet of paper and pen, because in the end you would need to note down those takeaway points. Okay, cat 2023 slot 1. Why is my pen not working? Hang in there. Chal raha hai. Okay, all right, cat 2023 slot 1, a reading comprehension with one question. Okay, as the first step, I'm going to show you how to solve this question within 2 minutes. As the second step, we will discuss the gyan points, the takeaways, and like overall. All right, everything we'll discuss. So just be there. Let's start. Okay, this is the passage. Many human phenomena and characteristics such as behaviors, beliefs, okay, influenced both by this. What is the question that we are talking about? All right, all of the following are advanced by the author as reasons why non-geographers disregard geographic influences on human phenomena accept. So true, false. Let me just calmly think about it for 2 seconds. What is he asking me? He's asking me reasons. Non-geographers disregard this. In the passage, there must be a paragraph that has reasons, or there must be a line of reasons. Okay, let me just go back and check quickly. So what's the main idea? Both by this geographic and non-geographic. Geographic factors means this. Non-geographic factors include this. All right. So what is the mudda? The difference between the current economies. Okay, here the factors are not there. This is an example point. North and South Korea, Australian, no. Aboriginal, no. Okay, today, all right. Today, no scholar would be silly enough to deny that this, okay, but many scholars do not react to any explanation invoking by denouncing. This is exactly what I'm looking for. And then he says several reasons. One reason, another reason, a third reason. Perfect. This is exactly where the question has been set. What am I going to do? I'm going to quickly check the reasons. Some geographic explanations, racist. Okay, tainted by racist associations. So something political, something connected to the country, the kind of rules that were there. Another reason is that historians have a tradition, okay, stressing the role of, okay, based on individual decisions. Okay, all right, okay, so human decision go priority. A third reason is that geographic explanations depend on detailed technical facts of geography and professional training में नहीं मिल रहा है, don't acquire. Okay, cool enough. I go back to the options. Dismissal of explanations that involve geographical causes for human behavior. Human behavior is given. Belief in the central role of humans, this is given. I just read that as the first point, no, second point. So this is true. Lingering impressions of past, this politically offensive. Racism बोला है, politically offensive, I'm not sure. Disciplinary training, ये तो true दिया है. Technical knowledge. So it's between this and this. Now, politically offensive or dismissal of explanations. What is the question asking again? Why non-geographers disregard this on human phenomena? Why do they disregard this? Dismissal of explanations or this? I can connect racism with this. So this should be your answer. Go back and quickly check racism. Racist causing explanations tainted minds of many scholars, genetic, historical, okay. Were also racist, all right, fine. So he gives this here, he says past geographical analysis, it's given there, that were politically offensive, connected with your paragraph, that the one that I just read. This is your answer. This has to be your answer. Now I'll give you the gyan points. Okay. ध्यान से सुनना अभी इस चीज को. Number 1, even earlier, Cat has given a similar passage, not once but twice or thrice. Okay, kaisa passage? The flow has been very similar. I remember off the top of my head, there was one passage in 2019 or something that was talking about metric fixation. Okay, and the whole passage talked about the effects of metric fixation. Like here they have given you reasons. One para, reason 1, another one, reason 2, another reason 3. In that passage, I remember there were effects. So the first para brought in the point, and then the second para said the first reason is this, second is this, third is this. उसके अलावा भी और है, but I don't remember कौन से और passages थे. So that is the first point here. If you ever see a passage which has this kind of flow, अब आप ये पूछोगे how will I get to know the flow? Bhai, how will I get to know the flow? For that you have to see the passage, you have to just assess the passage in the first 20 seconds. Assessment. What is assessment? How I do assessment is I just see the hero, many human phenomena and characteristics, geographic, non-geographic I see, and then I check like कैसा passage है. Okay, the difference is all right. He has given you data about countries here. Then today what they would do, and then I can see several reasons. Once, first, second, third. 100% a question will be set. And then the question setter will take the reasons, rephrase them as he did in this case, and he would give you that question. ठीक है? So ये point number 1 आपका है. कहाँ चला गया भाई? हाँ ये है. Point number 1 आपका है. Okay, passage, flow, observe. ठीक है? Question pocket. If there are reasons, factors, उन्हीं को बोलते हैं reasons, factors or effects. Please remember this. These can be limited to one para also. Very often it has happened. Cat has taken a question from one para where there are like, comma, 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 various factors. It happened because of this. Setter ने क्या किया? Question setter ने लिया उसको rephrase करके he gave you the options. Point number 1. Takeaway number 2 from here, I'll tell you. I am not taking up that question, but in the same passage there was a question related to this. So if the author is giving you one point, one concept, and then if he gives you some examples to elucidate his point, there will definitely be a question saying, why has he given those examples? All right. Takeaway number 3. अभी आप यहाँ options पे चलो. Dismissal or explanations, belief in the central role of humans, lingering impressions of this, politically offensive, disciplinary training. My point number 3 is, ये जो आपका option है ना, number 1. If you understand some fallacies, it's going to help you tremendously. Fallacies of reasoning, errors of reasoning. ये point number 1, option number 1 पता है क्या है? This is what I call circular reasoning. पहले मैं यहां लिख दे रही हूं आपको. Number 3, fallacies of reasoning. At least 10 to 12 fallacies of reasoning आप कर लो. Even on this channel, Prep with iQuanta में, I had done one session, I think 2 sessions I did on fallacies of reasoning. You can just search and you'll come across that. Check कर लो उनको. ठीक है? अभी what is this fallacy of reasoning that I saw over here? The question is asking you what? The question is saying all of the following are advanced by the author. Simple karo wo language ko. Okay. The author is giving you a reason why non-geographers regard this. Disregard. Let me just put it down for you simply. ठीक है? अभी आप देखो यहाँ. Why do non-geographers disregard geographic influences on something? Simple question यही है, right? अब आप अगर इसका जवाब मुझे दोगे, मैंने आपसे पूछा why do non-geographers disregard geographic influences? आप बोलोगे because they dismiss these. अरे वही तो मैंने question पूछा. That is what I'm saying. Why do they disregard? ये you are giving me the same thing, you are rephrasing, you're making it like you're putting another word, you're saying they dismiss it, but you're not giving me a reason. सरकटा के बारे में क्या जानते हो? सरकटा का सर कटा हुआ है भाई, वो तो नाम में ही पता चल रहा है. Why is Abhishek not there in the class? Ma'am, he is absent. वो तो मुझे दिख रहा है, तुम क्या एक्स्ट्रा बता रहे हो मुझे? You get it? This is what we call circular reasoning. वही question में से words निकाल के आपने मुझे दे दिया. Look here. So, why do they disregard geographic influences? All right. They dismiss explanations that involve geographical causes. तो भाई they dismiss, यही तो बोला है यहां. Why do they dismiss? वजह क्या है? इसलिए ये eliminated है and that is the one. That's the answer. You got it? So fallacies of reasoning में at least 10 to 12 you should study so that you will be able to spot such options very easily. Clear hai guys? Thank you so much. Happy learning.